y'all, it's Taren.
Hey.
And this is Brian. I know y'all know who he is. This is Brian. All right, so he is joining me for a really fun video today because as y'all know, I've talked about so many times that we're doing some renovations to our backyard.
Yes. Yes,
what have we done so far?
Let's see. Last year we added a couple of big planter areas. This year we added a few huge potted palm trees back there. We poured some concrete back there
pergola
for the pergola that we had that blew away, and then we bought another one. This one didn't blow away.
More importantly, we put it together twice. We put two pergolas together in the span of a few months.
Yeah, it's not fun.
It's not fun. But yeah, y'all know we're doing some backyard renovations. We like to call it our backyard oasis.
We did a new pool liner.
Yeah, we did do a new pool liner. That was a few years ago, yeah? A couple years ago?
It's either last year or the year before. I can't remember.
It had to be the year before then.
Yeah.
Anyway,
all
right. Yeah, so y'all know we're doing pool renovations. So with the renovations comes cleaning the actual pool. So a company called Wybot reached out and said, hey, we have this new robotic pool cleaner, which we are very familiar with pool cleaners.
Yeah.
Whether it's yourself or a machine.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
We either clean it ourselves or we've got some sort of machine. We do have a company that comes and cleans as well. Yeah. But without the machine in the pool, we've learned you can't really get everything. Like a person can't physically get everything. Yeah. I just took some video, so I'll insert it here of our pool. And we just had pool cleaners come recently.
Friday.
Yeah, on Friday. And so this is just kind of what it looks like in between cleanings because we don't have something in the pool. So insert this Wybot cleaner. So as I mentioned, this video is in partnership with this company. They reached out again and said, hey, we've got this really cool robotic pool cleaner. Do you want to try it? Brian and I talked about it one time and he was like, yes, we absolutely do want to try it. So you can get it from Amazon. I will leave a direct link to grab it in the description box down below. But we're going to unbox it, figure out what's in the box, and then we're putting it to the test. I'm charging a GoPro. Brian's putting on a swimsuit. He's getting in the pool to get the footage for you.
This is I guess the accessory bag with all the parts and pieces that go on it, which doesn't look like there's that much. So it must be like I think it's pretty much an all-inclusive kind of thing.
Yeah, so we have the flipper, retrieving hook, screws, scraper, user manual, all of that inside. Oh, I did read too online that it comes with a full charge. So that's nice. Wow. I thought you were gonna say something. So it is one that you recharge. Yes. So it's not like a plug-in or a battery powered. It's rechargeable, which is nice because you just pull it out, stick it in the wall, charge it up. Is that the charger?
The charger and the scraper attachments, which they are a rubber or silicone, so they just kind of pick up any loose items and kind of get it to where it can suck into the bottom. If you've ever had a pool cleaner before, there's a couple of outlets in the bottom or inlets in the bottom, and they suck up the debris into the center, which has got your filter and all that stuff in there.
This is why Brian is here.
Okay,
so I'm not familiar with all these things like he is. Okay, so it comes in two colors. We have, drum roll please,
green.
The green one. You want to pull it out for us, so you can get it in green or in blue. Obviously we have the green one. I like that you can see it. Did you ever, when you were a kid swimming in the pool and someone had one of these go and you would pretend like it was like a shark or something, or like an alligator, and you would try to stay away from it?
Okay, so those of you that know, all right, I'm a little older, so yeah, these weren't invented back then. All right, they had what you'd probably call for a pool of Polaris, which had a hose that hooked up to your filter and stuff like that, and it just went in the pool. So these were not around back then.
It's not heavy either. I think the paperwork said it was less than 8 pounds.
Yeah.
So it's super easy to pick up and stuff like that. Okay, so it says dual motors, high-speed motors, enhanced suction power, which is what we need because you've got that. Sometimes it's leaves and once it's wet, it's a little bit heavier. So you've got to have that extra suction. Yeah. Ideal cleaning area, 500 square feet. Oh, it says it touches the wall or any obstacle, reverses immediately, automatically turning in the opposite position. When the battery's low, it will automatically reach the shore. That's when you get the special hook thingy, pull it out like that. But we're gonna show you all of that stuff. So I'm excited for this because again, like I mentioned, we just had our pool cleaned, but debris and stuff still kind of settles at the bottom. So are you ready to put your swimsuit on?
This goes on you have a pull
stick.
pole or whatever. They're all pretty much interchangeable, and it clicks in there, and then that's what you pull it out with. All right. You've got your.
Oh, okay. So this goes on the bottom of the pole.
That goes on the bottom of the pole. That's your retrieval hook. Okay. Yeah, you got your little bag here with a couple of screws in there, your charger, your two, what do they call them? Scrapers, right?
Yeah.
Your pull scrapers. Right here on the bottom, and they click in. Pretty simple. That's it. Your handle right here goes right down in here, and that's where your two screws go in to get to the inside. All right. You got two little handles right there, and then the top part, the green colored part,
just lifts off.
Just lifts off. There's your motor and everything right there, and there's your filter that you would take off right there, and you clean all your stuff out. Just wash this off with a hose. It's a very thin microfiber, type of filter, and it goes right back on there.
And then you just throw it on the charger.
Right there, and you throw it on the charger right there. So they say when you put it in the water, you have to let it, push it down in the water, and see all the bubbles? You got to make sure all the air bubbles are out, let it swash around and everything, and then hold the power button, I think it said for about 5 seconds.
Is it going?
And there it goes. Okay? And then just
let it do. Oh, wow.
And then put it down. There it goes. It just hit the wall, and
there it
it's
goes.
backing up.
Brian's on GoPro duty, so I'm handing him GoPro to get some footage. Oh, let me turn it on for you. Been exactly 1 hour. I just looked out and noticed that it stopped. So Brian's gonna grab the hook. He already put it on the pole. We'll pull it out and see what's inside. It did a great job though. I'll show you the pool. Oh wow, it really did get all that over there.
So there's nothing up there. So that means this filter worked really well, and I can already tell that there's a bunch of stuff right there. So look at that. It picked up some big pieces,
sand?
Just silty sand.
So then you just dump it, hose it down, I guess?
Yeah, just dump it out and hose it down.
While Brian hoses that down, I'll show you the pool. So this is the after. Yeah, remember all this gunky stuff that was down here? Got it all. Okay. So we're just gonna wrap this up here since it only took an hour.
Yeah.
Okay, what are your thoughts? Because you're like the pool expert. Over of the two people standing here.
Oh, yes.
You are the pool
Let's clarify
expert.
that.
So what are your thoughts?
I think scale of 1 to 10, that thing was like a 9.5. I mean, easy to assemble. It probably picked up 95% of everything in the pool, and there's some fine sand, some bigger like straw kind of stuff.
On your hand.
Little straw right there. Some of that straw or grass or whatever you call it, that was in the bottom. Picked that up too, and I mean, she showed you it was all in the bottom of the container. Didn't go through the fine filter. It was easy to get out of the pool. It was not heavy, so you don't have to worry about that. And it took all of about 2 or 3 minutes maybe to clean it up. So now we'll just let it dry and then
Pop
recharge
it on
it. Yeah, so I think it was great.
Yeah.
Well worth, what'd you say,
$2.99.
$2.99 on Amazon?
Well
worth it.
Yeah.
Well worth it. So, I mean, drop it in the pool and let it go.
Yeah. And we did sit out here the whole time.
Yeah.
Just to see how fast it would go and if it would get everything.
Yeah.
I'm happy. I'm very happy.
Yeah.
It did a great job.
Yeah, because a lot of times you worry about that fine sand and stuff, and that's a pool liner killer, and it picked it all up.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it was great.
Yeah. So thanks for watching. It's linked down below. I know it's a little bit different of a video, but y'all know we're doing the renovations back here, and it's getting hotter outside, so we'll have people over and get in and out of the pool and stuff. So we've been needing something like this for a while.
Yeah.
We really have. So when they reached out, it was like perfect timing. So yeah, it's linked down below. Thanks for watching. Thank you to Brian for his expertise and taking one for the team and getting in the pool. That GoPro footage, you've already seen it, is super cool. So yeah.
I was impressed with that.
Yeah. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Yeah?
Bye, y'all.
Okay, bye, y'all.